The first thing you want to remember about the slice function is that you can only slice between two layers. So think of the gingerbread man as a cookie cutter, and here I'm making a rectangle to represent the dough. All right, we're going to move this little cookie cutter to the front, put him right there, and then we're going to select all. That means we're selecting both layers, and then go all the way over to the right, and that button that says slice, just press that, and that has sliced the gingerbread man out of the dough. So we're going to, once we've gotten rid of our cookie cutter and our cookie, we're going to go in to make it. And we don't really need to mirror this, but it's just a good habit to get into. And remember to put your vinyl on shiny side down. I don't know why, but I just like to lead on my mat. And there you go. She's all ready for iron-on. Please like and share this video, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the little bell so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.